So in the last 3 years since I started properly, I've got 15 of my own service accommodation units. I've got a management company too that looks after 25 units. Cash flowing about £25,000 a month, and we're looking to grow to 75 at the end of this year.
So we've got Beast JP here, came to visit us in London in September 2019.
Yeah, a long
right?
time ago.
Yeah, but it took you a while to get going. Like, what happened?
Well, I came and got involved, and I didn't want to leave the community, so I signed up, and then COVID happened, didn't it?
Yeah, so like, what was your kind of skepticism or like your doubt that you had when, like, because you said like, I want to be in property, this is what I'm going to do, but like, what was going on that stopped you from just going for it?
There was skepticism there. I was already in property, and the skepticism was probably like you and the sales, and I thought, nah, I can't deal with this geezer. And I liked it. I wasn't committal, but you know, going through the process with you, I now know what that skepticism was, rather than what I thought it was.
So take your whole kind of journey, forget like the real life event or whatever, like getting started in that property journey, like what was, like, did you dive straight in or was you more hesitant?
Yeah, I dived straight in with sort of buy-to-lets or the first 10 years, just doing everything myself like an absolute mug. And then realised I got to do something more, got to do something better, and luckily got taught SA and everything about SA just by someone who I didn't even pay. It was just conversation. It was a friend, and I was like, oh wow, I could do this, and then just committed, just went.
So you got your first SA?
I got my first SA in January 2019.
January 2019. So then did that go smooth, was it?
Nah, it didn't go smooth at all. It took me about 6 months to get from getting it to signing a contract.
Oh, wow.
Because agents are not straightforward, are they? But and then by the time I signed the contracts on that one, I did have 2 more. So I was just all in. So
let's fast forward, like where you started to accelerate, because now your company, you've got a management company, you've got 15 units yourself, right?
15 units myself, which is whole house. So we just had a discussion, 3, 4, 5 bedroom houses. I got 15 in my own name, and Pure State, my management company, is looking after 25, but that includes my 15. But we're very near to signing a couple more, and by the end of the year we want 75 under management.
Yeah, so
that's a big number.
So what's the cash flow look like on these type of things?
So with SA you go about £1,000 a month. We're really fortunate that ours are sort of £2,000 a month, so we're doing some really good numbers. Net, I would say, is about 25 a month.
Yeah, beast.
Which is a good number, yeah. I started in 2019, I wanted £5,000 a month, and that was it.
So then, following the training and the systems, you started to build your own systems, right?
Well, about 6 months ago, I signed into the partner program, and that's just been a game changer for me. You know, I made a point a couple of weeks ago. We want to go international. I want to get to 500 units, and not all sort of rent to rent or even owned single units. I want to go big into development, and that's where we're headed.
No. Like you always say, everything happens for a reason, but if you had your time again and you was like, right, I'm back at zero, let me go and beast it now, like would you change anything that you did before, whether it be with your mind, like based on what you know now? Yeah,
for sure. I would be more put down what I think I know, which is how I actually started my journey. Put down what you think you know, start from zero and take everything in, whether it's books, podcasts, YouTube, coaching, one-to-one, group mentoring. Just be really open to it, because that'll speed you up. That's where I lost a lot of time, just going with what I thought I know. Yeah, so with service accommodation now, I mean, it's, like I said, £1,000 a month is a base benchmark, and it just gives me so much freedom and opportunity to go forward into what I want to do, which is developing hotels, resorts, apart hotels, and getting my brand out there, which is probably 3 years ago something I never thought was an option. So that's pretty big.